What's up guys, it's Finch here, and today I'm gonna talk about earplugs because I use them actually quite a lot. Turns out I have a weird head, probably because I have this really bad headache after a longer ride, and it's so weird. So I started using some earplugs and it was a lot better, actually, a lot better. So I can do like 2 hours in a row, no problem. So that's a plus, but there are also downsides to it. It's so annoying to use earplugs. You have to put them in and they don't quite feel alright in your ears. So yeah, I kinda hate that. When you stop, you have to take them out, put them in, put them back in again. That's kinda super annoying. They don't always fit right in your ear because I have weird ears and you may not hear everything that's going on around you that well. I mean, the earplugs are like negative 20 to 40 decibels, depends on what you have, but yeah, you may not hear everything and someone may not like it. It's not that bad, actually. You get used to it quite easily, but yeah, definitely it's annoying, super annoying. I hate it, but I have to do it. I'm not having them in my ears today, and man, I gotta say, it's so goddamn loud. I'm not sure which part is worse for me, if it's the engine sound or the wind just passing by my helmet. Hard to say. I'm actually interested to see what's your thoughts about this topic, so you can let me know in the comments section below. I'm looking forward to it. And one more thing that I will talk to you about is custom-made motorcycle suits. What do you think? Is it worth it? Is it worth the cash? Or do you just get, I don't know, some generic one in the shop and be kinda happy about that? Because the suit I'm having now, it's not that great, really. I was a lot fatter before, so it was better fit. Now it's kinda loose, kinda flaps around. I don't like it, so I think I'm gonna get a custom one in the winter, even though it's gonna be a lot more money for it, but I guess it's worth it if you want to do it for another 10-20 years. I don't know. I think it's actually good to have some solid gear on your body that fits you perfectly. So that's my main point why to get one. And also you can have your own fucking design. I mean, man, seriously, that's so cool. Colors, logos, everything, and that's super cool. So yeah, I guess this is it for today's vlog, because I'm gonna enjoy some twisties over here. Take care, ride safe, and see you in the... Wow, man, that was weird. See you in the next one. Peace.